Hi Sagittarians, this is your next 10 days reading starting from 27th of November to 6th of December. I'm going to take this time period for you to understand what energies will be coming to you at this time period. You are going to go through many things at this time. Lot of cards have come for you and clarification is also showing a pattern here. So the pattern will be affecting your personal or professional life. So whichever issue is concerning you, this reading will have some answers for you. So let's see what is on your mind. On your mind, the first thing is the lovers. So some of you are dealing with a love situation, could be consumed in love, could be consumed in a love decision that you need to make, could be a partnership, or could be a life changing decision that you have to take at this time. It could be concerning your education, it could be concerning your overall long term situation in terms of your wealth, family, in terms of your house, acquisition of home, a house for yourself, a legacy wealth, job situation, business situation, which concerns your long term. So you are going to make a decision or go towards a decision, but you know what, you are a bit disenchanted, you are not so interested, or you are feeling a bit bored and inactive at this time because you don't see what is coming to you from the divine. What is coming to you don't see it. So what is happening is you are more in a disagreement situation. You could be feeling that obstacles are on your path in your love, in your relationship, in your job. There are obstacles, there are small problems that are cropping up, competition cropping up. Maybe you are giving interviews, you think that you are not good enough, but you need to navigate through all this. Every one of us are going through such situations. These Five of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Five of Cups, everything is part of life. So Five of Wands is not a very bad energy. It is a energy of being in a sportsman or a sportswoman spirit, so that you can navigate through these challenges. These are like small hurdles and you need to get out of it. Basically, in your current situation, you will get through this. You will be moving on from troubled waters to calmer waters. Definitely what is coming in the next 10 days is solution. You are going to solve some matter. You are in this hangman and the fool energy. So hangman and the fool energy is, one is static and one is moving, so both are opposite. And one is, at the fag end of a situation, another is new start. So basically, you could be going through some difficulty and you have great power of optimism to go through difficulties at this time. So some of you could be feeling that a situation was supposed to give me Seven of Pentacles, but it is not giving me that. Or you could be feeling that the effort that you have made regarding something is going to go waste. Some of you could be feeling interference of other people in life, or doing too much for others could be on the plate. So some of you are sacrificing your life, but you want to be free. So you are trying to gain perspective in your life, and angels are assuring you that a new start is coming in and you are going to get out of a traumatic situation. A solution will be provided to you by the universe. A safe passage will be provided to you towards peace. So any problem that is affecting you at this time has the capacity to solve itself. So you don't need to make many moves at this time. You are in a quiet situation, you are looking at it, trying to gather perspective to be free and start a new situation in life. It is coming in. What was happening in the past? In the past, you acquired emotional energy, you became emotionally intelligent, or you were dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There is an adult loving person around you, but this person hides lot of things. This person does not reveal too much. You united with this person, or someone is offering you something, but it is not exactly clear. First level of something, some issue was accomplished, but then it has hit a situation of delay, or things are not becoming clear. But let me tell you, things will become clear for you. You are needed to have optimism and faith in your situation. The stars will guide you. Three of Pentacles is telling me people with whom you are interacting, they are on the same page. They will be of support, and award, reward, recognition can come to you. You will be moving like a sportsman. You will be the champion. The Cancerian spirit of Chariot is coming in. You could be moving towards a situation that is fulfilling, that is a great partnership, that is, acquisition of happiness in home, acquisition of good partnership, a promotion, a new job, a new result of something that you have done will come to you, which will be a rich, or a lucrative situation for you. You will be changing your position, changing your gears very soon. You are going to be the Knight of Wands, ready to leap into action, and you will have the energy to move mountains. So this is your underlying invisible energy. Some of you, however, could be strategizing, or some of you are in connection with a soul bond, connection with a soul member of your tribe. You could be having a great bond or partnership with someone of the sign of Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So you could be thinking of your past. An ex can return. This person could be hiding many things, so beware of them. But what I see in your situation is you are wanting to move on from a situation and go towards a focused goal, and there will be people supporting you on the path. What is coming to you in the near future? In the near future, what I am seeing is you could be in a defensive energy. You would want to protect yourself and sustain your position. Some of you, if you are going through problems in job, problems in your business, problems or challenges, those small challenges which I talked about, if you are going through all that, in the Seven of Wands, what it means is from the Five of Wands, you go to Seven of Wands. This means you will be able to protect yourself. You will be protected because you will be on the higher ground, because you have better qualification, because you have courage, because you have education, because you have more people networking, you know many people. So you will be in a protected situation. Four of Pentacles is telling me that your status quo will not be disturbed, but you will be on the defensive, or you will be conservative in the near future. So if it is a love situation, you could be protecting your heart, not getting into conflicts, trying to defend yourself all through. In job, you are doing the same, trying to sustain your position. So Seven of Wands means that you are going to get a new motivation with the Ace of Wands, which can take you towards your Ten of Cups. So there is a motivation to go towards your dreams. There is a motivation to go towards your long-term dreams. That is what I am seeing in the near future. So a rejuvenation of energies will happen, new fertile moment for some of you. Some of you are getting into a partnership, a marriage, an engagement is happening, or a child is conceived. If you were in bad health, you are going to revive. You are going to get life force back, and you are going to feel very good. You are going to feel happy. So there is a major completion here, because I see the Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles here. Internally, you will be feeling happy. You will be accomplishing a big task. Some of you are accomplishing an event or a function or a marriage ceremony of your children, of yourself. So that's the kind of energy I'm seeing. The wheel of fortune will turn in your favor. This is, the Jupiter energy coming in. So you will be having good luck at this time. So angels are asking you to look forward to the things you want to realize at this time. Be positive. Be positive in positive waiting energy, because your ships are docking, your ships are coming in. So what is coming to you from outside? Someone could be giving you a heartbreak, someone could be creating this external situation of tower. I think that it has already taken place and it is already over, and you are feeling that heartache and pain. People can scratch you while talking to you about this situation. It was in the Scorpio season, it has already happened. So someone could be keeping quiet, someone could be delaying contact with you, or someone could be saying something bluntly which can give you a heartbreak or something. But then it is not a big energy. It is going to give you some kind of a blow to your pride, but then you will manage. It is not exactly your energy. Someone could be going through this because of your blunt statement. It can be vice versa. So in your hopes and fears, you want to change your position, you want to go for new situations. Angels are saying that you will be acquiring strength here, bravery here. You could be in a very compassionate mode. You could be the knight in shining armor for some of you, some of your people. You could be giving strength and courage to people. Angels are asking you to be courageous at this time because you need to go forward. So what's coming to you in the near future, or as outcome? You will be given an apology by someone, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy with the Knight of Cups and Page of Cups is coming towards you, showing you love. There is going to be Four of Wands. Ultimately, this is happiness. This is good partnership. This is happy home. This is results, good results, promotion, marriage, engagement, balance in partnership. So something good is going to happen in the after you finish these 10 days. And there could be signs and symbols of a situation that could be taking you towards a new world situation. For some of you, it could be higher education in a great university, so upgrade of some sort. For some of you, it is elevation in social status, and it is movement for long term stability in the near future, and upgrades in love or job or business. So some of you are stepping into a stable period. Some of you are going to get to a situation after learning many lessons and changing your current situation to a new upgrade. So there is going to be a new long term upgrade in your life in terms of family. So the family will be involved with the individual at this time. So Sagittarians, I was going to say Scorpio, but Sagittarians, you are stepping into long term situation of stability, traditional growth, and completion of cycles, and a new chapter or a new cycle will start. So you will be protected all through by the universe in this journey, from struggle, high difficulty, to a situation that is peaceful and more comfortable. That is what I am seeing. So let's see the fortune cards for you. You could be working very hard, toil and labor. You might not be paid the way you are expecting. Some of you are in some kind of disadvantage. You have to work very hard. The situation will change. The situation will change in the near future. A message can be a good news, or a neutral news can come to you. This can change your situation. This can be, sudden wealth situation or movement to distant horizons. So for some of you, there is a relocation, shifting, change of atmosphere, change of geography, terrain. So something which you had subconsciously always thought can come around for you. So this new change in your life can be good. So it will take you out of despair. It will take you out of thief thief like person. You could be, there could be someone who could be giving you sadness, because I see the three of swords. Someone broke your heart, someone drained your energy, someone gave you a lot of sadness. So you could be getting out of a situation with them. You could be a mature woman, or you are dealing with a mature woman at this time. They could be a thief like energy. They could be draining your money. They could be draining your emotions at this time. There could be a wealthy man around you who could be of support, who could be someone who is good for you. So this person can, provide sudden wealth to you. This person can provide sudden opportunity to you, which can be a distant place, which can be a place of your dreams. You could be making a realization. You could be realizing your 10 of cups at this time in the near future. So major accomplishment can happen if you make a choice in your love situation. So for some of you, it is exactly your love situation that needs to be concentrated upon, and the right decision has to be made for long term. That is what angels are saying. Your 10 of cups and your 10 of pentacles is assured. So there can be energies that can lure you or that can drain you, but you need to make up your mind to remain in despair or to look for a new situation. So some of you can be handling some people who could be creating towers around you. So you have to be alert regarding those people, because you are stepping into a new time period, a new timeline, a new situation of world. So the world is your oyster. You are waiting for that, and you are going towards the world in some kind of tradition. So your papers, your agreements, your legal situation will be formalized. You will be formally changing gears, not casually. You are going to sign documents. That is what I am seeing. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues in their life can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So people who want a personal reading have to just leave in a request in the comment box. I will guide you from there. And people who come back to my channel to listen to me, my only request is to you to subscribe to the channel, because subscribing, liking and sharing gives me more power, gives me more encouragement to keep doing your readings. Thank you so much. Bye bye.